Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use clips like other clips when you edit on TikTok. So press the plus button, and I think this is quite new. You are going to choose a library, and as you can see, there's a lot of options you can choose from. For instance, this one, and then I'm just going to click on it and wait for it to load, and then you're going to press next. And then after that, you can add in your video. You can record anything you want, and then you're just going to press the check mark button, and then press next, and then you're going to upload that. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!